Hello everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one website where it is known as copycat. So this copycat helps you create recipes. There are hundreds of copycat restaurant recipes to help you recreate your favorite restaurant meals at your home without going to a restaurant. It's about more just about food. It's about creating memories around the table. And now you can recreate those memories from home. So this website has a lot of restaurant menus recipes available here. Now if you want to get KFC chicken's recipe, Kentucky Fried Chicken's recipe, you can just click on it. It will tell you no one makes fried chicken like KFC. They know for a famous recipe of 11 herbs and spices for a very long time now you can recreate that fried chicken at home with the recipe of this KFC cutting. So this is the recipe. So these are the things that you need. As you can see, these are the things that you need. Now if you want something like McDonald's, then you can see what are the recipe that is available here. If I want a Big Mac, so you can see how you can prepare a Big Mac, and you can see the recipe of a Big Mac. So in this way you can search for various recipes around the globe from various restaurants. So you can also see something like Starbucks. You have Starbucks vanilla sweet cream cold brew. If you click on it, you can get more information about that and you can prepare this at home. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.